Now, let me show you how to make payments for your TikTok ads. There are two ways you can pay for your TikTok ads: the direct payment method and the coins method. Now, the direct payment method works only on Android phone and it only accepts a dollar card. I'm going to teach you how to get a dollar card, don't worry. But the coins method works both on iPhone and Android phone. However, the charges are very high. I mean, the coins method, the charges is so high. So if you want to save money when running your TikTok ads, the best method is to use an Android phone with a dollar card. Quick one, before I continue, please hit the subscriber button so that you don't miss the practical demonstration I am about to show you now. All right, let us switch to my Android phone and do the practical step by step. Let us go. All right, open your TikTok app. So I'm going to start with the second payment method, which is coins method. All right, you click on these three lines. So when you click on three lines, you click on balance. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video, I'm going to show you the cheapest way to pay for your TikTok ads. So now let's start with the coins payment method, which I said is quite expensive. All right, so you click on get coin. So when you click on get coins, let's assuming that you want to use 10,000 naira for our ad. I mean, let's assume you want to use 10,000 naira to run our ads. Can you see that the lowest coins that you can buy here is 350 coins, and then that is 7,900, right? So, and I said earlier, with this TikTok, we charge you from 40 to 60% of any coins you buy through coins payment method, which is the second payment method. So if you are to buy this 350 coins, let's say that's the lowest. I mean, no, that's not the lowest. We have the lowest of 5 coins, right? But we want to use 10,000 naira for our ads. As an example, either you buy this 350 coins twice, or you buy this 350 coins, which is 7,900 once, and then you buy this 70 coins, let's say twice or 3 times, to make it 10,000 naira that you want to spend. Trust me, you will pay higher for this, because there will be a charges that TikTok will charge you for this, right? So this is quite expensive. So I'm going to take you to the number one payment method that I said earlier, that is very cheap and very easier for you to pay, but you can only pay this through your dollar ATM card. So let us go to number one payment method, which is direct payment method, the cheapest one. Let us go. All right, you open your TikTok app, then you go straight to your video that you want to use to run ads. I mean, the video that you want to promote. I believe you must have post your video that you want to use to run your ad. So you click on, let me use these videos as an example. You click on this video. So let me press it. Then click on these 3 dots. So under these 3 dots now, you will click on increase views, right? When you click on increase views, then can you see choose a promotion pack? All right. So, but let's assume that you want to spend 10,000 naira. So you click on this customize. So when you click on your customize, then you click on budget. I think it's still loading my network. So you click on budget, this pencil icon, you click on it. Then let us select 10,000 naira. Let's clear this and put 10,000 naira. Then you click on confirm. Can you see that we are only paying 734 naira 57 kobo for charges? I mean, for the tax and VAT, that's only what we are paying for. So here's the cheapest way you can use to pay for your TikTok ads on TikTok. So you click on pay. So when you click on pay, then you click on credit or debit card. So under this credit or debit card, that's where you will add your dollar card, and the details to pay for your TikTok ad. There is the cheapest way to pay. So if you pay through these direct payments, TikTok will not deduct much money from you. Like the previous one I taught you, here is the perfect one on how to make payments for your TikTok ads. So with this, you won't pay too much for your ads on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. Kindly please subscribe to my channel. If you don't have a dollar card yet, don't worry. In the next video, I will show you how to create one very easily. If this was helpful, make sure you subscribe because I will be dropping the next part immediately.